Welcome to the online lecture of Sharad V. More English High School. So in last lecture we have started with the practice set 15 and 16 also we have completed. Okay. Now today we'll solve practice set 17. Okay. Practice set 17 is based on the concept of supplements. Okay. So what are the supplementary angles? Okay. So here you can see the definition of supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Means अगर दो angles मिलके combine होके 180 degree के angles form कर रहे, right? So they are called as the supplementary. For example, here you can see, right? They are making on a single line. So angle ABD and angle DBC. Okay. So these are the two supplementary angles. Okay. So based on this concept, we are going to solve this practice set 17. Okay. Now here, question number 1 in practice set 17. What is the first question? Okay. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. Means आपको क्या है, कुछ angles का measurement given. Okay. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, उनके सप्लीमेंट्स फाइंड करने हैं. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू फाइंड द सप्लीमेंट्स. सो in previous practice set we have already seen how to find the complements of the given particular angle. So here we have to find the supplements. So the method will be as it is, just the measurement will get changed. Okay. Means इसके पहले आपने 90 degree use किए थे, but here what we are going to use, we are going to use the 180 degree. Okay. For example, the given angle is 15 degree. Okay. Given angle is of 15 degree. आपको फाइंड करना है उसका सप्लीमेंट. सो सप्लीमेंट ऑफ द एंगल ऑफ 15 डिग्री इज व्हाट, 180 माइनस 15. ओके. मीन्स 150 80 में से आप 15 माइनस करोगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. सो देन यू विल गेट द supplement of this angle. Okay. So let us start with the first question. Practice set 17. Question number 1. Okay. So very first question in this is 15 degree. Okay. क्या गिवन है आपको, 15 डिग्री. सो इसका आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, सप्लीमेंट. ओके. सो सप्लीमेंट ऑफ 15 degree is equals to what, 180 minus 15. Okay. So this is the method to find the supplement of a particular given angle. 180 में से आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, माइनस करना है 15. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5, right? And 7 minus 1 will give you 6. 165 means supplement of 15 degree is what, 165 degree. Understood properly? First part. Now second part. The given angle is of 85 degree. Okay. 85 degree का आपको क्या करना है, supplement find करना है. Okay. So supplement of 85 degree angle is equals to 180 minus 85. Okay. Now 10 minus 5, 5, right? And then after 17 minus 8 is going to give you 9, right? Means आपने जब 180 में से ओके, जब आप 180 डिग्री में से 85 माइनस करोगे, सो यू विल गेट 95 डिग्री. ओके. सो सप्लीमेंट ऑफ 85 डिग्री एंगल इज व्हाट, 95 डिग्री. ओके. द नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट इज 120 डिग्री. आपको 120 डिग्री एंगल का क्या फाइंड करना है, सप्लीमेंट फाइंड करना है. ओके. थर्ड पार्ट 120. Okay. So you will write here in the solution, supplement of 120 is what, 180 minus 120, right? So जब आप 120 में से 180 डिग्री में से 120 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, so you will get 60 degree. Okay. So it's your final answer. It means supplement of 120 degree is what, 60 degree. Now fourth part. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, सप्लीमेंट ऑफ 37 डिग्री एंगल. ओके. 37 डिग्री मेजरमेंट का क्या है, एंगल है, आपको उसका सप्लीमेंट फाइंड करना है. So supplement of 37 degree is what? 180 minus 37. Okay, means आपको 180 में से क्या करना है? 37 माइनस करना है. 10 minus 7 will give you 3, right? 7 minus 3 will give you 4 and 1 will be as it is. So it means supplement of 37 degree is what? 143 degree. Okay, so now fifth one you have to do in the same manner, that is 108. क्या करोगे आप? 180 में से माइनस करोगे. After that sixth one is what? 0 degree. Okay, let us see this one, sixth one and seventh one. Okay, sixth में आपको given है 0 degree. Okay, so supplement of 0 degree, supplement of is equals to 180 minus 0 means 180 में से जब आप 0 subtract करोगे, so you are going to get 180 as it is. It means supplement of 0 degree angle is 180 degree. Understood properly? Okay, now the last one. Okay, what you need to find here? Supplement of an angle whose measurement is a degree. क्या given है आपको? A degree. So supplement of a degree is what? 180 minus a. Now value of a is unknown to us, so we'll keep it as it is, right? So supplement of a is what? 180 minus a. Understood properly? So here we have completed the first question of this practice set, that is practice set 70. Now let us continue from the second one. Question number 2. Second question, the measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Okay. Now, आपको ये जो है एंगल्स के मेजरमेंट गिवन है, सब मेजरमेंट्स गिवन है. फॉर एग्जांपल मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल बी एन वाई जे डी ई एफ जी. आपको क्या करना है? यूज करना है to make the complementary angles and to make the supplementary angles. Okay, so first of all you can make the complementary angle, right? Complementary में measurement क्या होता है? 90 degree, right? It means summation दोनों को क्या होना चाहिए? 90 degree, right? So measure, now you just see here, measurement of angle B is 60 degree and angle N is what? 30 degree. So when you will add 60 and 30, you are going to get the 90 degree, right? So first pair क्या हो गया? Measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle N, that is 60 plus 30 is equals to 90 degree. Okay, first complementary angle. Okay, so this is the first pair, means measurement of angle B and N. So आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे, first one complementary angles, first pair measurement angle B plus angle N, that is 60 plus 30 is equals to 90. Okay, now second pair, just see which one is making 90 degree again. Okay, here you can see measurement of angle Y and angle E. 90 plus 0 is what? 90 degree, right? So second pair में आप लिख सकते हो measurement of angle Y plus measurement of angle E, that is 90 degree plus 0 degree is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so ये second pair हो गया. Understood? Now third one, observe it properly. Measurement of angle D is 75 and measurement of angle F is 15 degree, right? So 75 plus 15 is going to make 90. So let us take this pair. Okay, so this is third pair, angle D and F. So you will write here complementary angle pair number 3. Measurement of angle D plus measurement of angle F, right? So D is what? 75 degree. F is what? 15 degree, right? So final answer is 90 degree. Okay, understood? So here we have completed complementary angles. Okay, आपने complementary angles के pair बना लिए. Next, supplementary angles means the measurement should be 180 degree, right? Next is what? Supplementary. Now let us make the pair for supplementary. It is 60 degree, right? 60 degree. When you will add 60 and 120, you are going to get 180, right? So measurement of angle B plus angle G, first pair. Measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle G, that is angle B is 60 degree, angle G is 120 degree. It means it is equals to 180 degree. So ये हो गया आपका first pair of supplementary angles. Okay. The second pair. Now see, measurement of angle N is 30 degree, right? It is 30 degree. So and measurement of angle G is 150 degree. So 30 plus 150 is going to make 180 again. So आप क्या करोगे, measurement of angle N को किस में ऐड करोगे, angle J में ऐड करोगे. Okay. So now let us do this second pair. Measurement of angle N plus measurement of angle J, right? So measurement of angle N is what, 30 degree, and measurement of angle J is 150. So 150 plus 30 is what, 180 degree. So it is the second pair of supplementary angles. Okay. Now just check if you can make the another one more pair. It is 90, 30, 90, 60, 75, 0, 75, 50. Okay, so enough. Means there are three complementary angle pairs and two supplementary angles pair. Okay. So here we have completed second question. Now question number 3. What is given here in the third question? In triangle XYZ, measurement of angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and Z make? Okay. अब देखो एक्स वाई जेड है. ओके. इसमें से आपको एंगल वाई का मेजरमेंट गिवन है 90 डिग्री. ओके. मीन्स जो रिमेनिंग वन होगा एक्स और जेड, आपको फाइंड करना है कि वो कौन सा पैर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. ओके. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी एज वी नो, द सम एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? मीन्स जो sum of the measurement of all the angles of a particular triangle is what, 180 degree, right? So here it is 90 and this plus this will be as it is. जब आप इसको find करोगे, so you are going to get it as the 90 degree. It means they are making the complementary angle pairs. Okay, let us solve the third question. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree. Question number 3. First of all, we'll write here given things. Okay. In triangle XYZ, angle Y, measurement of angle Y is what, 90 degree. Now let us solve it. Okay. Solution. So you will write angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So in bracket you will write sum of measurement of triangle, all the angles of a triangle. Okay. In bracket you will write here sum angle property. Okay. Now as you know, angle Y is 90 degree. So you will write here in place of Y you will write 90 degree. Okay. And angle X and Z will be as it is. Okay. Now 90 will get shifted to here. Angle X and Z will be as it is. Okay. Now here 90 is in plus. When it will shift it to the right hand side, it will become minus, right? So 180 minus 90 degree. Okay. So angle X plus angle Z is equals to 180 minus 90 is what? 90. It means angle X and angle Z are making complementary angle pairs. Therefore, angle X and Z are making complementary angle pair. Okay. So here we have completed the third question of practice set 17. Now next one.